and a GT right there. I'm gonna check out the GT. This one here, it's got a straight six in there. Just found that out. That one's got a right-hand steering there, guys. See that? There it goes. Nice rims on that bad girl.
All right, I'll see you back at the hotel.
That's the cover I want on mine. Okay, the MG GT has got a 6-cylinder in that too. Look at that beautiful little car take off. There goes the V6, or the straight six. Kind of a bubble top. Ohio.
And a Mark 1's got that medallion that fits up. Bill's in there.
It's got a little V8 in that one right there, I believe.
Rather than just leave it.
Let's take a look at this one real quick. Not sure where he's from. Yeah, big old straight six. It's a 1969 MG GT. He's from Ohio. Wow. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, buddy.
Never knew these had a 6-cylinder in them.
Yeah, some of them have the small 8s in them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then the rest of them 4 cylinders. Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Don't know. You know, these are the newer styles, I guess. MGs. It almost looks like got a rear engine in there. Let's take a look at it. We'll take a peek.
Okay. Actually, I did.
Yep, rear engine in there. Oh.
No. He said, no,
That'd
that's
be jiggered.
irresponsible. And I said, yeah, I can't buy
Huh.
it. It's irresponsible.
English right side
It's still in the blood.
steering. This guy's from Grand Rapids. I mean, Comstock Park, close to us. What's this one here, guys? Again, it's a newer style. You can tell from the dash. Same as that one. Got nice wood grain in that one. Love the. What the world? It's a different style bumper. There goes a little A. '79. So I wonder if he put. See, 77's got the rubber bumpers. I'm thinking he put the steel bumpers on this one here, and then the smaller blinkers, the old style 79. Such a pretty car. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna have to sit down on my feet the whole day. Nice, nice, nice. There's John Twist. Could have been more people, but all right, see you guys.